gentlemen, Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Mr. Sher.
Alright, so hi everyone, good morning. Okay, so did you see our group of pigeons? Did you know that the pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones? So ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy because our flying feather friends are going to show us an amazing tricks, awesome stats, guest participation, important environmental message. And of course, we are more on education, conservation, and entertainment. So now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our flying feather friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call on my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, and to welcome our blue and gold Macaulay, Amigo. So hi, Amigo. Alright, so now Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And by the way, Amigo is a responsible bird and he loves to see his environment. You know, let's see what I'm going to do. Alright, Amigo, come on, come on, Amigo. And jump it inside, alright? And for the second one, buddy, so we pick up the Coca-Cola can, walk all the way up in the beat and jump inside. Good bird. And for the last one, come on. Up in the beat. Come on, up in the beat. What are you looking at? Okay? And jump it inside. Now see if the bird can do, why can't we, right? So always remember that put your trash in the trash bins because we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. Well, I guess I'm even together with this flying feather friends has something to tell us. Alright, so welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So here are two blue and gold macaws named Kyle and Carl. And wait, there's more. Please come out, buddies. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry and Sorry and Carl. And of course, our green wing macaw named Rico. Hi. Come on, say hi to them. Right? So macaws are very adaptive birds to whatever environment they are in. It becomes quite normal for them. And if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. At their diet, they love to eat varieties of meat, fruits, and vegetables, and they also have a powerful beak that can craft artificial nuts. So in fact, we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Alright. Right, well, I guess we're going back home to get more food. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. So for our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and of course a handsome bird. But I need your help to call his name. Okay, can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo.
Brother, say Jumbo.
Jumbo.
Alright, so Jumbo, please come out. Okay. So here's another green wing macaw named Jumbo. So let's say, buddy. I want you to wave at them. Can you wave at them? Alright, big bird. Alright, one more. Wave at them. So macaws have a very long tail and feathers that can go up to 3 feet from their head to tail, and their tail can reach up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Good bird. Alright, one more. Come on. Okay, so we can see most of the colors outside their body and less color under its wing. Now Jumbo is going to show his beautiful wings. Can you say wings?
Wings.
Good bird. Alright, one more. Say wings. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning that they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And you also use their beak to hold on things and ride. Now as you can see, Miss Debbie has a ground nut. He will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's our reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Alright, so we can lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using a reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our birds, and as what I said earlier, the Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Wanna know why? Hi, wanna know why?
Why?
Alright, so because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First, we'll be having this cutting test. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here 5 animal pictures: the tiger, zebra, horse, camel, and the snake. And I want you to choose one animal picture. Alright? So what do you want to choose? Louder. Alright, so I hear zebra. It's Mr. James. So while Mr. Chris is preparing the jumbled letters, let's have a short interview together with Miss Debbie. So Miss Debbie, good morning, ma'am. How are you? Doing great. Alright, so what's our Jumbo's favorite foods?
Alright, so fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Alright, so seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Alright, Jumbo, are you ready, buddy? Just take a look at the picture carefully. And what is the spell of the zebra? Come on. Alright, so first, you pick up the letter Z, bird. Next letter, buddy. Alright, so the letter E, and for the third letter. So, Jumbo, pick up the letter B. Most on the floor. Next letter, buddy. Alright, so the letter R, and for the last letter. Come on. What do you want to choose? Alright, just take your time. Good bird. So you pick up the letter A. So the zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Alright, so I think it's too easy for